Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis as per ever, let's look at dollar Canada. On the daily chart, what we see over here, or let us move to the weekly chart, have a clearer perspective, is on a very interesting setup, a bullish or rather weaker bear setup. If you know the definition, then you know why is that so. There is a lot of extension of this resistance level, so this is only the first break of the high. So overall trend is still bearish. That's what we need to know. On the daily chart, it has really turned bullish. Definitely a level for you to look for a shorting opportunity would be 1.3882. That would be the level of my interest. Down to the 4-hour chart, well, this is what we have. This is what we can see over here. A bullish trend as well on the 4-hour chart, as well as the 1-hour chart is a wiggle bear. So why is this important? Because it gives you a feel of the overall analysis, whether the trend is strong, are you trading against the trend, and what strategies are you going to do. If you are doing a single time frame or a multiple time frame, it all does make an effort. But over here, let's keep things a bit simpler so it won't confuse you. Scan this QR code, you bring you to our Discord channel, especially if you receive this only on a Friday, because this is our 600th episode. Correct? You have been missing out a lot of these trading ideas that can turn into great profits to you. While we scan this QR code, you bring you to a Discord channel. On top of the link of the channel that you are in, you will have access to our student portal, where you have the first gift over here, access to a trading that worth more than 1,200 USD of content. That's what our viewers, our students have told us. They paid more than 1,200 and they receive lesser than what is in this content over here. So hit up and redeem this free trading. And of course, if you want to get more education, you want to learn everything within a day, you want to get coached, well, drop me a note then. We will see how we can work together on that. If you scroll down further, this gives you an idea the kind of traders we are and the kind of traders you can be. Look at the target tool. We always look for a 2-1 ratio trading opportunity before we engage those trades that significantly bring down the level of stress you need to be successful or to be right in trading, because that's one thing you can control, right? Make sense? So having a 2-1 ratio, you just need a 40% accuracy rate to be profitable. Let's head back to our daily chart and share with you my analysis over here. Alright, so on the daily chart, it starts to get a bit interesting. It's moving towards the bearish bad pattern at 1.3742. Let's see how it goes. We have a bit of consolidation that happens before the bad pattern. Is actually not a good sign, especially if the bad pattern forms out. It's like super bad news. Well, the sharp pattern is no longer valid from my experience, although it have not violated, but with this kind of movement, it's no longer there. So let's just remove that. All right, so down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. Bearish butterfly pattern. If you really engage it, and if you have chose to exit after this strong bearish bar, you see a consolidation over here, you earn about from 100 to 80 pips, and I'd like to congratulate you on that. Good call on that. But a retest over here is also giving you another opportunity to consider if you want to head in for a short, because we do have a RSI divergence over here, meaning to say that the market is about the same height, but the RSI is showing a lower price. So this is something that is nice for us to take note. And if you head down to the 1-hour chart, nothing much over here other than if you are looking for buying opportunities, you can buy on this red line. But if you have been following me for quite some time, you see that if I have shaded it red, that means I'm looking for a shorting opportunity. Another way to engage it is to wait for a break and close below this trend line and heading for a short. So as you can see, trading, there are a lot of different techniques you can use. What is more important is for you to understand the overall trend and what is your trade plan, how you want to get involved in the trade, because with that, it gives you a very clear direction what trading strategies you want to use to engage the trade. And if this is something that interests you, drop me a note. I will keep you informed of the upcoming training or near future training. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always, plan your trade and trade plan. Take care.